Welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression in order to make it easier to work with. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by factoring the numerator. The numerator is 4x squared minus 1. Recognize that this is a difference of squares, which can be factored into 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. So, we can rewrite the expression as 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. Now, let's move to step 2. Notice that the expression 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1 has the common factor of 2x minus 1 in both the numerator and the denominator. We can cancel out these common factors. So, we are left with 2x plus 1. This is the simplified form of the rational expression. With this, the problem is now solved.